राम, चाय रेडी है? सब चेक किया? डेकोरेशन और खाना? शाम को सारे मेहमान आ रहे हैं, बताया था ना? आज पूजा है, 4 बजे दिवाली का पूजा है, आज बड़ा दिन है और नॉनवेज बिल्कुल नहीं बनेगा। हमारी पूजा ख़त्म होगी, फिर मेहमान आएंगे शाम को, फैमिली फ्रेंड्स सब आ रहे हैं। मैंने बताया था क्या बनाओगे तुम? नाश्ता थोड़ा रिपीट करना।
समोसा, कसीटिया, स्प्रिंग रोल, रगड़ा पैटीस, इडली सांभर।
ओके, एक चीज़ भूल रहे हो तुम, मेरा फेवरेट
पिज़्ज़ा,
मेरा फेवरेट ढोकला। हाँ,
येलो ढोकला।
यस, चिलीज़ के साथ में रेडी रखना, चटनी वगैरह सब होना चाहिए। पूरा स्प्रेड हम वहाँ लगा देंगे। और जैसे ही हमारे कपड़े रेडी हुए सारे, आयरन कर लिए तुमने बच्चों के, मेरा लहंगा मैं शाम को चेंज करूँगी, ठीक है ना?
Hey, you're looking nice.
Thank you.
Listen,
What about
I'm a
your
bit
kurta?
confused between these two. You know, you see this one or this one.
Let's take this.
Okay, done.
All right.
Done. I will take this one.
Hey, Manvik, you're ready. My rock star is here. You look so handsome.
You looking so nice. Very nice. Give me 5.
Do we like Papa's kurta? I think this is good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Matching with Mom's? Yeah.
Oh,
We all
yes.
are in the same shades.
Thank you.
आपको मैं कैसे भूल सकता हूँ। वेल, द सिंधी इन मी इज़ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी टुडे, क्योंकि आज हम अदनानी के घर में आए हैं, जहाँ पर एक नहीं, दो नहीं, बल्कि तीन जनरेशंस, दे ऑल कम टुगेदर सेलिब्रेटिंग द फेस्टिवल ऑफ दिवाली। इट्स गोइंग टू बी सो मच फन टॉकिंग टू अ बूमर, अ मिलेनियल एंड अ जेन ज़ी। वेल, इनके साथ हम देखते हैं कि आज दिवाली की तैयारी कैसी जा रही है। सो फॉलो मी।
Hi, Lokesh. Happy Diwali to you also.
So
Thank
happy
you.
to be here.
It's so lovely to see
You look super stunning.
Thank you so much. So do you. I love your outfit.
You know, this gives me like full Diwali feels right now.
Thank
and
you so
wishing you a very
much.
very happy Diwali.
Thank you so much. I love the hamper.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Come, let's go and meet the family.
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah,
Let's
they're
go.
here. And the family is here.
Nice.
Manvik,
Hi, Manvik. How are
Lokesh,
you? Oh,
Miraya,
hi, Miraya. Hi, good to see you.
Lokesh here, Revna,
Hi, Revna. Hi.
Anubha,
Hi. Hey, Anubha.
Lokesh,
How are you?
Vinod, of course.
How are you, Vinod?
Nice to meet
Good
you.
to see you. Happy Diwali, everyone.
Thank you. Wish you the same.
I have to begin with Vinod. Vinod, सबसे पहले many congratulations. I was reading an article about you as one of the top businessmen here in the UAE.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so
Celebrating
much.
what, 3 decades, 30 years
3
of
decades
multiplex?
of multiplex international.
Yeah, how does it feel?
Amazing. On top of the world right now.
You know, what's also interesting is that you were 1 year old when you came to the UAE.
Yes, correct. I came in 1969.
And this is when the UAE is not even there.
Correct.
The country is like not even made and you're
Absolutely. It was just Dubai.
there. So if I were to ask you, what's your most memorable Diwali?
I think the last memory which I had is about when I was 7 years old, and we lived in Al Faidi Street in the Regal building, and we used to get some firecrackers and go down in the sand and play with the firecrackers and do the lighting in the balcony.
Okay.
So these are the fantastic memories which
Do you miss Al Fahidi?
of course I still miss it. Whenever I go there, it's like a deja vu for me, that old memories come back to me.
In the last 54 years, wow, that's putting it in a nutshell. What we have seen from Sand Dunes to Sanipers, and then slowly ground plus 2 buildings, then ground plus 4 buildings, then expansion of different highways, then connection to Abu Dhabi, and now we see the skyscrapers, and then Burj Khalifa, Burj Al Arab, then we see Dubai Marina coming up.
What do you do now on Diwali?
Diwali, we just here hang out with our family, of course, and we have 4 to 5 pujas in a day in the office, at home, my dad's house, my father-in-law's house, in their offices. So we have all day pujas and meeting friends and family in the whole day. Yeah.
From puja to prarthana. That's a good connect, right?
It's a good connect and it means the same.
Prata, I mean, you have the entire family.
Yes.
Right? And
Missing Divina in action. She's in the UK now. She's the naughtiest and the bubbly one here. Troubles me a lot. And she's the last one to get ready. I have to be on her. Divina, what are you wearing? Divina, what's your plan? You're going to be with me the whole day. And she keeps troubling.
And when you have such a big family, how difficult does it get to prepare for Diwali? How many instructions? How much yelling in the beginning, screaming?
It's so nice to have a big family, and I'm very thankful for that. It is a challenge to get them all ready to it.
Who is the most helpful on Diwali?
So that cake goes to Revna.
Yeah?
Yeah. She does take care of, our house and her house, and very caring, connecting the whole family together.
She's the one who's keeping everyone together. Revna, does it get difficult?
It does.
It does, right?
But I love it. I enjoy it.
Anubhav, how does it feel to be a part of this family? You guys got married like last year itself, right?
Yeah. I celebrated Diwali in the most grandest ways in India, right?
Right.
You have Diwali in India. I mean, everyone's going crazy in India with Diwali, and
I think the only shock he's got is because he's a single sibling in his family,
single child,
and when he's come here, he's got four of us, four of the younger ones with him.
Speaking of siblings and speaking of being a single one, here we have Manvik, the only brother in the family of 3 sisters. Who pampers you the most? Who you're closest to? Okay, listen, I am here in a Sindhi family. I am a Sindhi as well. So आज खाने की क्या तैयारी है?
The vermicelli squares, the सेवियों की मिठाई.
I make that too.
Do.
I do in
Let's
condensed
see if
milk.
we make it the same way.
And your Szechuan idli.
And my Szechuan idli.
Shezwan idlis
Yeah.
here with Adnani's. I quite like that. What are
Yeah.
you waiting for? Let's go and have it, man. Then.
Let's go.
I love Sevia Ki Barfi. It just reminds you so much of home, comfort, warmth, being together as a family, and as a family occasion or celebration happening since our childhood. So it's something we love that our mom makes for all of us.
So I thought I'm going to be the sous chef, help Pratna with all the chopping and everything, but this is a chef's dream. सब कुछ यहाँ पे कटा हुआ है, सब कुछ ready है. Pratna, I'm so happy to be in your kitchen.
Thank you so much.
We are starting with the dessert, huh? We're starting with Savaiya
Yes,
ka.
we are doing the seviyon ki mithai,
Okay.
which is very traditional in my house.
Okay.
Every Diwali, I'm the one who's supposed to make it here.
So
It
इसको अच्छे से crush कर लेंगे.
yes,
And we
we
will
will-
add then.
yes, we're
ghee.
going to add about 3 tablespoons of ghee in this.
अच्छा.
So the sweets are full of meetha, ghee, and all that goes on into that.
Shall I help?
Yes, please,
you?
yeah.
Okay.
And then we will also add some grounded cardamom after the ghee melts in.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. So
Thank you
let's
so much.
start with.
Should we add some cardamom there?
I think I'm going to
Yeah.
do the grounding.
Yeah.
मैं-
Thank you so much.
बोल रहा हूँ मैं sous chef हूँ तो कुछ तो करके दिखाऊँ, right?
So we go hand in hand. Yeah. And you know my secret recipe now.
Yeah. So I'm guessing powdered coconut is something that I don't add. So वो आप add
Yeah.
कर रहे हो. Condensed milk जाएगा.
It'll give you some flavor.
True.
And plus on top I use it for decoration, so it looks nice.
Okay.
With the brown cooked vermicelli with the white layer of coconut on top.
Right.
It just gives it a very nice
Right.
appeal to it.
Right.
And Vinod loves it too. So just gives you the satisfying feel that you run some bit of yours.
Okay. So you spoke about Vinod. Is
Yes.
he into cooking as well? Does he help you? What does he make if he does something?
He likes to do the burgers. The
Oh.
chicken burgers.
Like
for
from
which,
scratch?
kind of. But then, myself, Padam Bhaiya, Ramu Bhaiya, we're a
Hello,
help to
hello.
him that.
Oh, he's here.
What's happening
We were
here?
just talking about you,
Oh.
and she was talking about how you make burgers.
Oh.
So do you assemble burgers, or do you eat burgers, or do you really make burgers?
And you got 3 assistants with you.
I assemble
Don't forget
burgers
that.
and eat it.
I thought as much.
Oh, she's making one of my favorites. Looks very nice, man.
Yeah.
Let me know when it's ready. I'm ready to eat it.
And we all have it hot right from the pan.
पूजा की तैयारियां हो गई.
मैं वही करने जा रहा था. I think I'll leave you guys here,
Yeah.
and I will just
Sure.
quickly do the
Sure,
puja thing.
this will be ready by then, so I'll keep it as
Perfect. So see you at the puja. Thank you. Cheers.
Absolutely. Sure. See you around. So
And-
cardamom आपने डाला है ना, उसकी खुशबू आ रही है. इसके बाद आप
Yes.
condensed milk डालो.
I'm going to add some dry fruits there.
Okay.
No sweets are complete without pistachios and almonds when you live in Dubai.
It sounds so funny when people on camera say कि क्या खुशबू आ रही है, but I kid you not, बहुत बढ़िया खुशबू आ रही है. I'm actually going to become that annoying person saying, क्या texture है, क्या aroma है. It looks really nice actually. I like the whole combination
Yeah.
of green and brown.
Yeah.
अब आप इसमें क्या डालने वाले हो?
Now I'm going to add the coconut powder to it.
Okay.
Yeah, it will give some nice taste and the look also becomes a little brown and whitish.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. And
I'll just stir it for another couple of minutes.
okay,
And then we are ready to plate it and have it nice and hot.
ठीक है. Condensed milk भी डालने वाले हैं
Yes.
to just bind everything together.
Yes.
We have Manvik here as well. Hello. How are you, Baba?
Yeah, what is Mama making for you?
You can help us by eating it. Okay. You know what Mom is making right now?
No.
She's making a sweet dish. Okay, it's called vermicelli squares. And Mama just is going fully lavish with the condensed milk here.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Already did with the ghee.
Nice.
Now it's the condensed milk.
Cutest chef ever, Manvik Adnani. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. So cool. I think just the garnishing bit is
Yes.
left, right?
So it's the coconut powder that I'm going to garnish it with.
Nice.
And my young master chef Manvik wants to take over now.
Yeah.
Nice.
And we are ready with it, Manvik.
We're going to cut this into squares.
Squares, yes.
And our vermicelli squares are
Yes.
ready.
And I think Manvik, it's time you went and changed your clothes.
I still haven't tried it, so I'm ready to try the special burfi which she has made, which she always makes every year. So I'm looking forward to trying the Sevio ki burfi.
This is as interesting as it gets. हम लोगों ने पहले स्वीट डिश बनाई है, उसके बाद हम स्टार्टर्स बना रहे हैं. We're making what, Chinese idli?
We are making Chinese idli. So it's an idli with a twist.
China भी है और South India भी है in a Sindhi household. So we're going to begin with the oil, I guess.
I think that's good enough. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, really cute kitchen, man.
Thank you. I'm going to add a wee bit of ghee in this
Nice.
to give the Indian taste. And I'll add some onions.
Sure. I think we need some garlic
Yes,
as
thank
well.
you so much. Desi twist देना है ना?
Absolutely.
Nice. And the next goes the green chilies. We make it nice and spicy. Green chilies के बिना कोई चीज़ में मज़ा नहीं आता वैसे.
पूरा जो तड़का आता है वो मिर्ची का ही तड़का है.
Thank you. That's enough.
Nice. So
Nice.
सारे vegetables डाल देंगे, Szechuan sauce डाल
Yes.
देंगे.
Can we add some bell peppers,
Sure,
please?
Sure. इसको हम slow motion में डालेंगे.
Yes,
आहा,
please.
क्या बात, क्या बात.
Nice to have you help me with my cooking.
No, I'm enjoying it, man.
Now we're adding a bit of Szechuan chutney in this fusion of Indian Chinese, and we call it Chinese idli in my house. Yeah, thank you.
Nice.
And it's actually sizzling and smelling so wow.
It is. थोड़ा spring onion भी डाल देते ना, Chinese
Yes,
बना रहे हो तो,
yes,
right?
Yeah, I missed that. Yeah, yeah,
I love the colors, yeah.
yeah, amazing. I think my kids feel the same, and they love the colors.
मैं
Yep.
देखो कितने तमीज के साथ चम्मच के साथ डालो
Yeah,
coriander
desi
भी.
cooking mein it's always good to sometimes use your clean hands.
Absolutely, absolutely. So this looks really
I
nice.
think this is done and it's ready
Yeah,
to
yeah.
eat. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And it really makes us feel so nice when the whole family is together. We come back home, we have a lunch with the whole family, a traditional one with our silver platter there, with the plates and the whole cutlery, because that's once in the year when we, tend to use it. And and we do these, the sweet which I make always otherwise, but on Diwali specifically for my kids and my husband, the Sevio ki mithai, which they all love.
I have come in 1967, now completing 56 years. I see every moment happiness. And so far, for 3 generations, we have celebrated Diwali. Really, I'm very, very happy.
दिवाली की पूजा हो चुकी है, मिठाई हमने खा ली है, लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात दिवाली की ये होती है कि खर्ची कितनी मिलेगी, हर चीज़ सबको मिल रही है. हैप्पी दिवाली.
Actually, you see, when I was young, my grandparents and parents were together, and they taught me sanskari, what we call sanskar. So we try to pass on same to our grandchildren and children, and they have been very, very. Our sanskars are, you know, that we must be always truthful, be together, and always help each other, and keep the name of the family up.
मेरे दादाजी बोलते थे, कुछ भी हो जाए झूठ मत बोलना, किसी का भला नहीं करते हो तो बुरा मत करना, हमेशा मिलजुल के रहो. ये हमारे संस्कार.
So yeah, so everybody talks about my bindis, and I love wearing these big bold bindis, colors, and I'm always loud, and I like it that way. Vishnu, वो कपड़े दिए थे मैंने कंफर्ट से धो लिए?
हाँ जी मैडम, सब ऑलरेडी दो.
ठीक है, थैंक यू विष्णु.
Diwali in Delhi is great, but you know, Dubai, everything is larger than life. There's the Diwali 10x in Dubai. We start in the morning with 1 puja, 2 puja, 3 puja, 4, 2 in the night, 1 Diwali party to maybe till 5 in the morning. We're hopping from different Diwali parties to different Diwali parties.
It's a full house at Adnani's. Wishing all of you a very happy Diwali! And we also have the millennials, we also have the Gen Z. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to ask you a bunch of Gen Z phrases. Okay? Whoever knows the answer can shout out the answer. What does no cap mean? But I'm totally banking on you, by the way. You are like the quintessential.
Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie is the right answer. Manvik, the star that he is always. Okay, the next one is drip. Drip. That dress is drip.
Oh wow.
Fantastic.
When you're styled really nicely.
Fashionables, not bad at all. Rania has also got 1 point. Can we have a big round of applause for Rania? Okay, the next one is slaps. हाँ वो चमाट नहीं है.
Is it like a good give back when something's really nice?
Kind of close, but not there.
Looks really bad.
No, it's the opposite actually.
That looks amazing.
Looks really good. Okay, I'm going to keep it a little simple because मेरे को लग रहा है कि सिर्फ Gen Z यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं. Millennials के लिए भी है मेरे पास question. Okay, simple one. YOLO. Why?
You only live once.
So the last one is also kind of simple one. I think millennials can get it right. FOMO.
Fear of missing out.
Fear.
Go a little tougher.
I also knew the answer.
I also love the decoration here. Pratha, you have to tell me who's the person behind the decoration.
So the person behind the decoration is Jaya. And she spent the whole evening in my absence, and also this morning she came in. Thank you so much, Jaya, for making it look so beautiful. Even
3 cheers for Jaya. Hip hip! A Diwali party hai, so DJ Veenu, should we call him DJ Veenu? DJ Veenu.
He is the most sought after DJ in our friend circle.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So you have to give me a demonstration, DJ
Let's
Veenu.
kickstart.
Yeah?
Let's kickstart.
Let's have some music.
It's really nice. We've been staying here since so many years, and when we were young, we had told our parents we don't want to get married anywhere else but in Dubai. We want to be with the full family over here. As my parents, my sister, my brother, we all stay over here. So I'm so happy And we all are together every year celebrating Diwali with family, friends who have become like friends of ours. Their family, it's a lot of fun.
This feels like a Karan Johar movie, right? Mere tumhare sabke liye happy Diwali. I think Bollywood can definitely take some inspiration from the UAE by these beautiful NRI families celebrating Diwali. This is awesome.
Well, it was an idea which I think my wife, Prata, had proposed. So when she came up to me and she said, "This is what the people have approached us from the television," I said, "Wow, that's a great idea. It'll give us a nice platform to showcase that we have been here for so many years and how we can, share our Diwali experience on the television."
और दिवाली का मतलब होता है लक्ष्मी पूजन। अगर आप लक्ष्मी को खुश रखोगे तो लक्ष्मी तो आ ही जाएगी घर में आ जाएगी।
ओके।
उसको बुलाने की जरूरत नहीं। माता जी आज घर में सुख शांति से रहो।
सही लग रहा हो ना? The number of compliments that I've got on my jacket today is insane, man. I mean, the colors seem to pop. It feels pretty soft and comfortable, and it looks so good. All thanks to Comfort.